Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to create a CRUD in .NET, a key skill for developers and often requested in job interviews. I'll show you a simple way so everyone can follow along. First of all, CRUD stands for the fundamental operations in any application. So CRUD is create, read, update, and delete data. It's essential for in a developer's daily life. So let's start. First, make sure you have Visual Studio installed. So, open your Visual Studio, select the file, New, Project. Choose ASP.NET Core Web Application. Name your project and click on Create. And make sure authentication is set to no authentication. So click in Create. Let's add a model for our application. Right click on Models, choose Add, then Class. Name a products.cs. Define the class properties needed for your CRUD. Now let's add a controller. Right click on Controllers, Add Controller, choose MVC controller with views using Entity Framework. Select the model we created and follow the steps to create the controller. With the controller created, Visual Studio automatically generates the views for the CRUD operations. Let's quickly check them out. Now, we have to generate and apply a migration using Visual Studio Package Manager console. So, time to see our CRUD in action. Press EES Express to run the application. Here's our CRUD working. I will quickly show how to create, read, update and delete items using our application. And that's it, a quick introduction to setting up a CRUD in .NET. I hope this basic guide helps, especially if you are preparing for job interviews. There's plenty of room to explore and improve from here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.